Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate the Telstra SIM card on your phone. So the first thing you need to make sure of is that the SIM card is installed correctly in your phone. And once it is, go ahead from the browser on your phone and search on Google for Activate Telstra SIM. And then tap on the first result right here, activate your SIM card from Telstra. Then scroll down a bit. And then you'll see the option to activate now. Tap on activate now. And first of all, you need to enter the SIM serial number. You'll find your SIM serial number on your SIM packaging. You need to enter it right here and then tap on check serial number. They'll check the validity of your serial number, and once they have checked for it, you can continue with these steps. The second step is where you enter your service details and select the plan that you want to subscribe to, and you'll be redirected to the ID details where you enter your ID details, your payment details, and confirm everything. And once you have confirmed it and confirm the subscription for the plan, your Telstra SIM card will be activated with the plan that you already selected.